we have studied about the lesson 4 nervous system. In this video we have studied about the nerves, types of nerves, brain and spinal cord. But before that we discuss about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. Now all students, you have take copy and pen. Now I am solving the homework. Those are given in on 15th July. Lesson 3, bones and muscles. And homework is differentiate between movable and immovable joints. And second question is cardiac muscles and skeletal muscles. Now first see movable and immovable joints. Movable joints provide free movement to the body. Movable joints provide free movement to the body. Example, ball and socket joint, hinge joint, etc. Whereas immovable joints do not provide free movement to the body. Whereas, I repeat again, whereas immovable joints do not provide free movement to the body. Example, joint in the skull. Joint in the skull. Now second question, cardiac muscles and skeletal muscles. Answer is cardiac muscles are the specialized form of muscles found in the heart. It is not under our conscience, while skeletal muscles are under our control and attached to the skeleton. Okay, you have write this homework in copy in proper way, and I remind again in comment box you have write name, class and section. This is your activity. So all students, you have write name, class and section in comment box. According to new CBSE rule, attendance is a part of activity. So all students, you have write name, class and section, and daily, not a single day, daily you have write name, class and section. Thank you. Okay, see here, nervous system. You know that in our internal body, nervous system work as a communication. You know that in this system, suppose this is a body part, and here brain. Body parts, you know the body parts send signals through the nerves to the brain. Okay, means body parts send signals to the brain, and brain also send a order to the body parts, and in this way nervous system work. You know that in our body 5 sense organs. Here, eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. These all 5 sense organs send message to the brain. Brain also send order or to response to the sense organs. Okay, the nervous system comprises nerves, brain and and spinal cord. First we discuss about the nerves. Nerves is a thread-like structure and they spread all over the body. Okay. And nerves on the basis of functions. Nerves are three types: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. Now first see the sensory nerves. Sensory nerves. As you name here, sensory, sense means sensory nerves carry messages from body parts to brain. Sensory nerves carry messages from body parts to brain, like hand, leg, sense organs, sense organs in eye, nose, skin, ear, tongue, ears, and eyes. Okay. And next one is a motor nerve. Motor nerves. Motor nerves receive message from brain to the muscles, or you can say body parts. You can say here muscles are body parts. Suppose if you want to catch anything, then you think brain think, and brain send a message to hand through the motor nerve, and then hand catch the thing. In this way, nervous system work in properly. And last, mixed nerve. Mixed nerve. Mixed nerves receive and send the message between sensory nerves and motor nerves. And you can say these nerves also receive the message from brain to the body part, as well as body part to the brain. You can say this way. Okay. I hope you understand nerves and types of nerves. Now next, brain. Brain is protected by the skull. You know that the skull protects the brain. Brain is a delicate organ, and that is protected by the skull. Brain controls all over the body. They control all functions of the body. And brain not only that they think or remember or any other work, but also control the activities of the body movement or other movement. Other activities also controlled by the brain. And on the basis of their structure and functions, and brains are divided into three parts. Parts of the brain: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. First we discuss about the cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It controls thinking, learning, etc. Yes, they control the talking, learning, and thinking. Okay, I repeat again. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It controls the talking, intelligence, learning, and thinking, etc. Next one is your cerebellum. Cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain. This one second largest part of the brain, and cerebellum situated just below the cerebrum, and they control the playing, running, etc. Playing, running, moving hand and other body movements are controlled by the cerebellum. And next one, last, is medulla oblongata. It controls the involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles. They control the involuntary muscles, like they control the heartbeat, breathing, and digestion. Such type of activities are controlled by the medulla oblongata, and they are situated just below the cerebellum. Okay. Now next and last, spinal cord. And you know that spinal cord also a delicate organ, and this organ means spinal cord is protected by the backbone. Spinal cord is a group of nerves, and you know that they are structured just like a networking cable, and they also communicate the message from body parts to brain, brain to body parts and other parts, and also they also spread all over the body. Now all student, now you have write homework of lesson 4, nervous system, of date 17th July, and homework is read and revise explained topics of lesson 4, nervous system. Okay, this is your homework, and I hope whatever you got the homework, first you complete the homework, and I hope you have completed the classwork whatever you got. So all student, you are revise the all lessons in proper way, all PT syllabus in proper way, especially all types of questions and MCQs also.